Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the basics of Odoo tax configuration and see what are the minimum required fields when we create a new tax. All right, let's go to the configuration and taxes. Here you can see the list of taxes which are already configured by Odoo based on the localization of the company. This is US company and US localization is configured, and these are the taxes by default created by Odoo. Similarly, here you can see it's a UK company and it's a different set of taxes configured by Odoo for this company. Okay, so if we just need to create any further tax or need to change the configuration in existing tax, we can go to the form view, and here you can see the available options and fields on this form. And if you need to create a new one, the minimum required fields include tax name. We have to give a name to this tax, of course. And then you can see here tax type. You can select sales, purchase, or you can just keep as none, depending on the nature of tax. And then here you see tax computation options. Group of taxes, fixed percentage, or percentage tax included. So this is how tax is then applied to the transactions. For example, if it's a percentage and it's a 20%, means it's going to be applied on the value of sales. If it's 100, then tax would be 20. We can set fixed and other options are there. You can see details with some examples already given here. Okay. Then we can set the percentage value. Down there, you can see distribution for invoices and refunds. These are also required fields. You can say what's the percentage to be applied on the base of tax, which account in accounting is going to be used for journal entries. And then in this column, we can see configuration of tax grids. This configuration is required for reporting these lines in tax reports. Okay. In advanced options, the required field is tax groups. So we can group different taxes. All right, so these are the few basic fields, required fields, when we create a new tax in Odoo. I'll cover rest of the details in my other videos about the other fields and some of the functionalities depending on the configuration, like how these taxes are appeared in reports, how the taxes are picked on transactions, and how we can set the default taxes on master forms like products and other master forms. All right. Thank you very much for watching this video.